Adding whole numbers. For adding, we have adding rules. The first rule is to line up the numbers by place values. The second one is to add by starting on the right, and then we move to the left. So let's go over an example to understand this. Example 1. We have two pieces of steel that are welded together. Find the total length if the first piece is 15 inches long and the second piece is 22 inches long. So if we need to add these two numbers, what we need to do is line them up by place value. So we have our 1s and then we have our 10s, and they're lined up. I'm going to add a plus sign and a line. Now we start on the right, so we'd add the 5 and the 2 together first. So 5 plus 2 is 7. We just put the number straight down. Then we can move to the left. We have 1 plus 2, which is 3. So our answer is 37 inches. Now let's do another example. Example 2. What is the total weight of steel if there is 487 pounds of the 3/16 inches thick A36 steel plate and 276 pounds of the 1/2 inches thick of the A36 steel plate? So we have 487. Then we have 276. So we have to make sure we line it up. We add a plus sign. So we have a 7 plus the 6 that we start on the right is 13. So what we do is we put the 3 below and we carry the 1, because the 13 indicates that we have a whole 10 that we need to account for. And so we need to put that in the 10 spot. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 7 is 16. So we're going to go ahead and place a 6 below, and then we're going to carry the 1. Now this one indicates that we have a whole 100. So when we have 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7. So for the total, we have 763 pounds. Now let's do another example. Example 3. The cost of materials is $3,854 and the cost of labor is $758. What is the final cost of the bill before taxes? So let's go ahead and write the larger number on the top, this $3,854. Then we need to add the $758. So we're going to go ahead and line it up. So our hundreds, tens, and ones all line up. Then we start to add. We start on the far right. 4 plus 8 is 12. Put a 2 below, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 11. So what we need to do is put the 1 below, carry the other 100, which is indicated by this 1. So now we have 1 plus 8 plus 7 is 16. So we're going to put a 6 below and carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So we have $4,612 in cost before taxes. Now let's do another example. Example 4. A welder needs the following lengths of steel: 12, 11, 14, and 7 inches. What is the total length of steel needed? So we're going to go ahead and line this up. So we have 12, 11, 14, and 7. We have multiple numbers that we need to all add. And so all we do is we line it up by our 1s, line up the 10s, and we start adding on the right first. So we have 2 plus 1, so that's 3, plus 4, 7, and then 7 plus this 7 is 14. So what we do is put the 4 below, carry the 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So we have 44 inches total.